Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This specific key fob is to an i8. I believe the i3 also has a similar key fob. Okay, so first thing you're going to need to do is get a new battery. This takes the 2032. There's a link below to these batteries on Amazon. They're a couple bucks, and also a little screwdriver would be very helpful. Okay, so first thing you want to do, push this little button in right here and pull out the actual key. You can use your finger, but a screwdriver works pretty well. Next thing you want to do is take your screwdriver and put it, there's a little ledge right there. Put it inside of there and just push up. There you go. So there is the battery. So go ahead and put your little screwdriver right there, pop out the old one, get your new battery, put that in like so. Next thing you want to do is there's a little blade right here. Make sure that goes in here. Give it a good squeeze. Put your key back in, you're all set. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thank you very much.